So mukhang promising naman po siya. So tinry po natin yung light po yung flavor.
Where is it?
After the equals.
After the icon? Oh, okay.
So actually marami po silang flavors ng ice cream. Pero you have to remember kung diabetic ka, parang 5 or 6 flavors lang po yata. Nakalagay po ron light. So please take note na light po yung nakalagay dun sa flavors na po pwede pong kainin ng diabetic. So it's a good thing mabait po yung staff, no? Pinayagan po nila ako to test yung product. So yan po, nag-baseline po tayo dyan. 92 po yung baseline ng blood sugar po natin. Tapos I ordered double choco. Ayan, para medyo exciting po, no? Double choco, light stevia po yung sweetener. So yung anak ko naman pong babae, she ordered the pistachio crunch.
You have to vlog it.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh yeah. Hi.
So yung pistachio crunch, medyo pricey po siya. 180 pesos yung isang order, pero that's okay.
Tapos stevia talaga to Tested ninyo?
Now, next is ice cream.
And yung anak kong bunso, she's 9 years old, no? Actually, mas excited siya.
Yeah, give me your one. I don't know what this is, but let's try.
Oh, you can stay there.
Really thick.
Very like what?
Just like my
Oh, really? Well, it's because of the pistachio cake. Right? That's pistachio cake.
I like the flavor.
Double choco like stevia yung ginamit nila na sweetener.
I just did the white chocolate. Let me see. Oh, pistachio crunch.
80,
85 pesos po.
86
Yung price.
pesos yata or 80 pesos. Yun naman yung the pistachio crunch, medyo pricey siya. 180 pesos.
But there's just a lot of toppings. Yummy.
Wala problema yung sa masarap
I'm
siya.
vlogging
Sobrang
actually.
creamy. Sakto lang yung tamis niya. Kaya lang yun nga mamaya after an hour, we'll see kung magkakaroon ako ng blood sugar spike. Anong milk ginagamit niyo? Dairy milk na low fat? Ah, okay.
Ayan, so ito po yung first hour na measurement po ng blood sugar po. So 92 po yung baseline natin. So I think nag 117 po itong first hour. Meron din from 92, 170. Mamaya second hour we'll see. Ang conclusion po natin dito, no, ang recommendation ko po is okay po siya. Especially if gagawin niyo po siyang dessert, kumain po kayo ng low carbs na pagkain, high in protein, high in fats, tapos high fiber, tapos gagawin niyo po itong dessert, I don't think na magkakaproblema po kayo. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat po and see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.